Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Payton and today I'm back with another video installing and reviewing this bomb Yaki wig from Klaiyi hair. I'm so excited to bring you guys this video because this wig is honestly one of the best wigs that I've reviewed in a minute. So let's go ahead and get started, and don't forget to hit that like button. I'm back with another video. You know what I really hate? But y'all not listening to the conversation. I don't know, it just felt like so satisfying. So starting off with the unboxing, this is the bag that the unit came in. I really do like the color of their brand with the greens, and it came in this box. It does look a little beat up, but it wasn't. The wig was 100% secure on the inside. Open up the box, they sent some goodies. They sent some clips, and I really like these because they're super stable for pinning up your hair. They sent an elastic band headband to help your lace lay flat, and this was the bag that the hair arrived in. This is the specs on the bag. This is their HD lace glueless wig. It's Brazilian hair and it's 24 inches, and this is what the wig looked like straight out of the packaging. You can see that the knots are bleached, it's pre-plucked, and this is definitely a glueless wig, just with how secure it looks before I even put it on my head. Also, for it to be Yaki hair, I felt like it felt really soft and smooth. So I really do like this texture because it mimics my natural hair when I have like a silk press. And yeah, this is what it looked like again in different lighting. I just want to show you guys how good those knots looked. And I love that you could just tell straight out of the box that it's pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut as well. So this is 100% beginner friendly and super secure with all the compartments. It has multiple elastic bands. It has comfortable space around the ears. It also has an adjustable strap that you can strap to the wig for more comfort and security. But I actually took the strap off for this install because I honestly didn't need it. The wig was really tight and snug and secure, so I felt like when I put that band on, it was a little bit too tight. But you guys will see in a sec, I removed it. I just tried it on with the band first, and it just looks so good. Even though we need to straighten it, look at that. Oh my god, this looks so good. Bruh, nah, this is some good HD lace. Okay, this is a good glueless wig. So now we can get into the install. I'm not gonna lie, this install took me like 10 minutes. This was me just showing y'all the ear space that's designated on the wig cap for your ears. It's super comfortable and super snug, and this is me just showing y'all how good those knots looked on this lace. Like honestly, I couldn't even tell. And yeah, I took that band off because it was too tight for me, but the wig was still super secure without it, believe it or not. And now I just decided to flat iron the hair some more. This is Yaki hair, but it can flat iron up to, I believe, 450 degrees. So I didn't have any issues flat ironing it, and I definitely love this hair texture. Like, I feel like I usually get kinky straight, and now after trying Yaki straight, I think I like the Yaki straight a little bit more. To me, it just looks a little more natural and realistic than the kinky straight, and I also just like how soft it felt. Like, it didn't feel like frizzy. I feel like kinky hair feels a little bit more frizzy, and this Yaki hair felt a lot more soft and smooth, if that makes sense. So after flat ironing my hair, I went in with a hot pressing comb, and I just use that to press down all around the top of the head. This just helps make it look a lot more flat and natural, like it's coming from my scalp. And I usually take about like 5 minutes to do this. So yeah, it's sped up. It looks like I do this quick, but definitely take your time doing that to make it look even better. Then I took some coconut oil hair serum and applied that, and I feel like that just definitely topped off for making it look like I got my natural hair done. Like, this looks more like a quick weave or like a weave from the salon. I don't know, this is just definitely one of my favorite wigs, and I like that it was just super comfortable. Like, I feel like a lot of wig caps, they say that they're snug and comfortable and, you know, they have space for your ear, but this is like a 10 out of 10 wig for sure. I am loving it, and this is how it looked without any glue, any tape, any spray. I did nothing. This is not straight out the box. You guys just saw me flat iron my hair, but the lace is 100% glueless. You don't need any glue. I didn't even need that elastic band, and it looked this good. And then I just wanted to show y'all how good it looked from the side and the back. Just, oh my gosh, I love this hair. I love this wig. I think this really might be like one of my favorite glueless wigs. I love the fact that I did not need that band. A lot of times you need that band to help it lay flat, but this, I don't have the optional band that they send with it, I don't have it on, and it looks this good. So I just decided to take some Eben lace spray and put a little bit of that on the perimeter to get it looking just a little bit more flat and seamless. This isn't 100% not necessary, but I do it because I want it to be even more secure and seamless. And by the way, you don't even need to blow dry it or anything. You just let it sit for a couple seconds, and then I just took that rat tail comb and start pressing it in. Super easy. Like, I get a lot of beginners like, oh my god, Payton, how do we do these wigs? You just take it out the box and put it on your head. This is another optional step. I just took some black spray and I used my rat tail comb to make my part more defined, and then I went in with some foundation powder and I just applied that on the part that I wanted to be a little bit more defined. So this is how you get that like nice and straight looking part. You don't have to do this though. I feel like this kind of takes away from how natural it looks, but I like how clean the spray makes the part look. Also, I did put on that band around the perimeter just to make it look a little bit more flat after spraying it, and to prevent myself from getting that black spray on the lace, because once it gets on, it's really hard to take it off. After that, I just took some wax and I put that on the top of my head. I feel like this always makes it look a lot more natural as well, because when I do my natural hair, I love to use that wax stick so I don't have no flyaways, and this helps take all the flyaways at the top of my head away. And boom, this was the finished result. Y'all, I love it. I love to see it. I didn't even do my edges or anything. I left it straight looking like this, and I just feel like this looks like it's coming fresh out of the scalp, which is so crazy to me. Oh, this was the first hairstyle that I did, which was a middle part. The hair does come in a middle part, but I wanted to try and see just how versatile the parting space on this closure is. Okay, so the next hairstyle that I did was basically two cute little cornrows at the top of the head, and let's get into it. So I started off by parting the closure maybe like half an inch away from the end of the closure, or like the start of the closure. This is a 5x5 closure, which is a little bit bigger than the regular 4x4 closure, so you do get a lot more parting space, but it's not too much. But I just want to show you guys how versatile, like how much you could do with this 5x5 parting space. So I did the same part on both sides, and I went ahead and did some cornrows. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I don't really know how to do cornrows, so I kind of struggled doing this, but if you know how to braid, it's really easy. I just don't really know how to braid, so I had to like take my time with it, and I even ended up just taking it off my head, but I wasn't tripping anyway, because like I said, it's glueless, so I didn't really struggle with that part. I was just struggling to do the braid, so y'all gonna see me right here looking like I don't know what I'm doing. It's because I don't. But it's still gonna end up coming out cute. Wait for it, wait for it. Okay, here I did have to take the wig off my head. If y'all got some tips for cornrowing, please let me know, because this shit, I kid y'all not, this shit ended up taking me like 20 minutes, but I know it shouldn't take that long. I just don't know how to braid, so this was a beginner friendly style for me. Something else that's really cute too, I really could have just twisted it, but I wanted to challenge myself with this hairstyle. So look, I ended up doing the two cornrows at the top, and I still feel like they came out looking really cute. And then I just decided to do some edges. I cut some edges from the closure, and I used my edge booster to slick them down. After I used some edge booster, I also used some hairspray just to secure the edges from lifting up, but I didn't show that part here. And then you guys should see me just slicking those edges down, making it look a little bit more natural. And this is how the hairstyle came out, which I think was super cute, despite me not really knowing how to braid. Y'all cannot tell me I didn't do that, okay? One side does not match completely, but nobody gonna know. But anyway, look at that lace. Like, let's focus on what's more important, how natural and fire that HD lace is looking with this hairstyle. You would never be able to tell that this is a glueless wig. So yes, y'all, this wig still was not glued down, and I did this hairstyle, and it looks this freaking good. I think it's like the pre-bleached knots for me. That's what's making it look so good, and I was so happy because this hairstyle was so cute. So I actually ended up using some cute little butterfly hair clips that I got from Amazon not too long ago, and I just ended up pinning those two cornrows at the top so that they didn't unravel. And I feel like this looks so cute and girly and cutesy. Definitely one of my favorite little like quick hairstyles that I've done on a glueless wig, and I feel like you wouldn't even be able to tell that this is a glueless closure wig. Overall, I would definitely say this is probably one of my favorite hairstyles that I've done and one of my favorite wigs that I reviewed, just because how good this hair texture feels and how natural it looks and how simple and comfortable the cap was. Like, I feel like the cap design, a lot of companies sleep on the cap design, but I feel like the cap design is really important for how often you're going to be wearing your wigs and how comfortable they fit on your head during your day-to-day activities. So that was basically it for this video, y'all. Which hairstyle y'all like it more, the middle part, or are you guys feeling the 2 cornrows that I did at the top of the head? You can also do a side part, but I just wanted to try something different because I'm like, okay, a side part is a little basic, not really. It's cute. I love this hair. 10 out of 10, y'all. Shout out to Klaiyi hair. I do love this texture. I love the bleach knots. I love the lace, and I love that it's actually 100% glueless and beginner friendly. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love y'all. Bye.